Have you ever wondered what exactly makes someone an entrepreneur? It is more than just starting a business, so let us break it down. At the core of entrepreneurship is the willingness to take a calculated risk to turn an idea into a reality. The path is rarely easy, as most new ventures face significant hurdles during their first 12 months of operation. Successful entrepreneurs often share these traits, focusing on solving problems while managing the resources required to build something new. The main difference lies in how they interact with risk and reward compared to a traditional employment role. While money is important, many entrepreneurs report that the desire for autonomy and personal impact is their biggest driver. Remember that entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring patience and a long-term vision for success. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics is the best way to start your financial journey. See you in the next video.